Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 as well as 10. A network cable is not properly plugged in or may be broken. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. Select a display adapter and expand it. Select a graphic driver, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. After doing this step, run the internet connection. Click on close. If your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, and after doing this step, find the outer display adapter. Network adapter. Select a network adapter. Right click on go to your properties, and after doing this step, go to your advanced, and make sure that after doing this step scroll down and find out speed and duplex, select it, and after doing this step first of select a 100 mbps duplex, and try it. If your problem is still, then you can select a 10 mb half duplex. After completing that, click OK and close button and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.